Yeah, it's a bit of a weird perspective, isn't it?
Casual. It's so reflective though. But we are starting the vlog.
Did you say frog?
Frog. I said frog. I don't know what I'm saying. We're starting the vlog from our apartment in Marbella. We're on holiday.
Yay!
I'm so excited. And basically this is our apartment. It's a bit of a mess right now.
Well, this is actually the outside.
Yeah, but this is such an amazing view.
It's a really nice garden, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so nice. There's so many palm trees.
Yeah.
Lots of like photo opportunities.
There has been a lot of photo opportunities. It must have been quite expensive to do all this.
I know.
And it's not just like this little bit either, like it's everywhere.
It wraps around the whole apartment, so it's really cool. There's like 3 different pools as well, which is so cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Should we show them like the apartment tour before we leave?
Yeah, I guess
we're going to the beach today, so
yeah.
Let's have a look. So this is kind of like the general area. It is such a mess, I really apologise guys.
Yeah, well, we have been here quite a few days. So.
Yeah, we've been here quite a few days. So this is like the lounge, 2 sofas, pretty standard, kitchen over there. And then this, oh
yeah.
Mr. Unicorn over there.
Unicorn.
So this is like where the bedrooms are. This is our bedroom. Again, bit of a mess. We've got an ensuite in there, which don't even show them, it's such a mess.
Oh god.
And then we have another balcony.
This one has a view of the pool.
This is so cool. I've had a photo here as well already.
That is nice.
That pool is my favourite. So nice. And then Sherry-Ann and Luke are actually here as well. A lot of you guys ask in the vlogs who they are. Basically, Sherry-Ann is Matt's sister and Luke is her boyfriend. We're like best friends, so we always go everywhere together. This is the main bathroom, and this is their bedroom. So that's our little apartment tour, but we're now going to go off to the beach.
Yeah, we are. I think this place could do with a little homeware update from us.
It actually could.
Couldn't it?
Oh my god.
I do like this chair though. You bought this chair.
Yeah.
Funny story there, isn't there?
Yeah, I bought this chair, but it couldn't fit in my car back in the UK, so...
So it's just at your parents' house?
Yeah, they're gonna have to drop it off on the roof of their car.
You got it from where? B&M?
B&M.
That's good.
It's nice, isn't it?
Well, it's nice
like
here.
This. So we're just walking over to the car. I've got like a whole handful of towels.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be so much fun. We've got a, what is it, a Skoda, right?
Yeah,
for
it's a little
car.
Skoda, it's alright. It's a bit slow.
You tried to take it up the mountain the other day and it couldn't handle it.
Yeah, that wasn't good.
We'll insert a clip right now.
Yeah. You can't get up there.
Here is the car. That is our whip for the holiday. Can we put these in?
Yeah, stick all the towels in there.
Oh, there we go.
Rubber
That's
dinghy.
better.
Very important.
Yes, that is an essential from Poundland, if anyone's wondering. Okay, I've just made it to the beach. I'm just chilling here with Matty Boo and Sharon and Luca as well. We've got some sandwiches that we're eating, aren't we?
Yep. Yeah, it's a nice little quiet spot, really.
Yeah, it's there's not really that many people here. Like I say the beach, but this is like a very private sort of beach, to be honest. There's like 2 little rocky things on either side, and the waves are kind of big as well, so I don't know if I'm going to go in, but are you going to go in? Yeah,
I will. You've got your wetsuit, you should go in.
I've got a wetsuit, but I had a near-death experience the other day. I was basically trying to get over the like cusp of the wave with Matt, and he was behind me because I'm like scared of water. Like, I don't know if I've ever told you guys that, but I'm scared of like deep water and like the sea and like drowning, and I can't, like, I'm not the best swimmer either, so for me, like,
I tried to help you get in.
Yeah, so yeah, it was very, very scary, and I ended up falling over and drinking a bunch of seawater. So that wasn't very fun, was it? I thought I was gonna die, like, honestly.
I lifted you out, didn't I? Saved you.
There was like one wave, it came over, I fell over, I was underwater, couldn't breathe, and then
just as I was lifting you up.
Yeah, just as I was getting up and Matt was helping me, then another wave came, and it, like, I was just, I was out. But yeah, that's why I'm kind of a bit iffy about going in the sea again. I'm a little bit scared.
Yeah, they're quite rough here.
Yeah. Look, there's a little kitty on the beach. It's honestly so strange to see a cat on the beach. She just tried to bite me. Oh, you're so sweet, aren't you? Okay, so we've just come up here to kind of look at the nice views. I mean, look at that.
It is nice.
It looks incredible.
And we're not in Marbella anymore, but that's a pretty big mountain, and me and Luca climbed the one, I can't remember the name of it, behind Marbella the other day.
That was crazy.
It was a long walk. It was about 3 hours, I think, it took to get to the summit.
Oh my god, and they had no water. Like they ran out.
Well, we took like half a bottle. We underestimated it a little bit. Yeah.
And you didn't even have proper walking shoes. He's literally just wearing Converse.
Yeah. I was just in my Converse. We were passing other people with like proper walking gear and like these stick things that I think
yeah,
for skiing. Or
oh my goodness,
walking.
yeah, for walking.
But yeah, it was still good. Just very dehydrated.
I'm glad I didn't go. Me and Sherry Ann just had a pool day, and we enjoyed that very much. I just don't think we're fit enough to be going up a mountain like that.
I'm not fit enough, really.
Yeah, but I think you're fitter than me.
That's still a big one. I don't know if that's bigger than the one we climbed or not.
I don't know. That is massive. Look at it.
The other one. Do we see the other one outside our? It's literally outside our hotel room. Like you can see it, it's like right there.
Isn't that the one you climbed?
Yeah, that is the one we climbed.
Because I filmed some of that this morning, some of that mountain.
Oh, did you? Oh,
yeah,
well, that's the one
for the cinematics, that's crazy. Yeah, we've also taken some photos for the gram, so make sure you guys follow both of us. Also, Matt's just hit 10K, woo! Yeah. He's very pleased, aren't you?
Yeah, I just like the K part.
Yeah, so we've just been taking some photos, and it's so much more breezy up here as well. It's really nice and cool. Yeah. We've been like sweating buckets downstairs at the beach. Yeah. But it's been a good day. Do you know what we're going to do now? Yeah,
I don't know. And yesterday was actually my birthday.
Oh yeah, it was your birthday. Did you have a good day?
It was alright.
It was alright.
I'm kidding.
He had a cool day. So we are now back at the apartment. We've just finished at the beach.
I don't think you guys have seen the pool yet. It's really nice though.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's kind of small. It's got kind of a lot of palm trees all around. It's a cool place to chill.
But it's not heated, so it's kind of hard to get you in it.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit difficult, but fingers crossed it's not too cold. Oh, it's cold.
Go on then. Just jump in, it's easier.
No, I'm not jumping in.
It's not actually that cold.
I'm not brave enough.
It's not as cold as the sea.
I always have to get really used to it, like rub the water up my leg and then go in a little bit deeper.
Do you want to get your unicorn?
Yeah, I'm going to get my unicorn in a minute.
I'll get it.
Alright.
Cold. Oh, it landed upside down. Avengers who? Landed the right way up. Go get used to it.
Literally like very close to our apartment, and we're probably going to hire something like electric to go on, right?
Just something electric, probably scooters again, I guess.
Yeah, something like scooters. We see quite a few like motorcycle type of things as well that are like electric, and a lot of people going past us, which looks really fun, so I kind of want to do that, but I don't know where to hire them. Like,
there's a place like just coming up down here.
Yeah, maybe there then. But the weather's so beautiful, and yeah, it's just really, really nice here. I don't really want to go back home tomorrow, to be honest with you.
No, I'd rather stay.
I'm gonna miss it so much. So we've just hired these scooters. Let me demonstrate. Wheel spin! Show us what you got.
Show you my moves.
Show us your moves.
will end in tears.
Oh Jesus! There you go. That was close. You enjoying it?
Not bad.
Not bad. Don't break them though, because we've paid a deposit.
I know, this is really slippery.
Yeah,
like,
it is.
I'm going to get a blister.
Yeah, you always get blisters from things like that, especially kayaking.
I know. The ones we had yesterday had like a little thumb thing, didn't
Yeah.
they? That was much easier.
Right, should we keep going over there?
Yeah.
Across the beach? We had so much fun, didn't we?
It was good, yeah.
It was really fun. But we're actually going to end the vlog here just because we're not really going to get up to too much more and we're leaving tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, I'm really sorry that we didn't vlog too much, but we did also want to have a holiday, right? Like,
yeah, it was nice to have a couple of days break.
Yeah, it's been very nice because we just work non-stop when we're in the UK, so it was nice to kind of get away from all that a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one vlog anyways, and we'll see you next time.
See ya!
Bye!